Now that you got your half, we're gonna take the leg off of the breast. Just with your fingers, you can just almost there. You can see like here, it comes so easy. It's simply right here, just scratch. Okay. So saran wrap. Okay, we season with salt. You season like rain so that it just falls real nice and even. Okay, so we're gonna place the filling. This where the thigh and drumstick was. Make sure the air bubbles are out. Well, otherwise, when you cook it, you slice it, you get these big pockets of air. That's not too attractive. Really. So you see the skin is over like this, like this. And as you pinch, everything will come into a cylinder. That's why you use a saran wrap. So you want to slip this in very carefully so that it doesn't burn. What's important about this technique, I call it velvet chicken because it's about the texture. It's supposed to be as soft as velvet. Protein coagulates when subjected to heat. So you're manipulating how much heat it gets, so how much it constricts. In this case, the velvet is because it was not at high heat. This was sit in here for a good 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the middle, we have a more natural shape of the chicken breast. It looks very tender, very delicate.